and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making custard creams. In my bowl I'm going to beat together butter and icing sugar. I'm now going to gradually add flour and custard powder. I'm now going to take about a teaspoon or slightly more of my custard cream mixture and roll it into a ball and place it onto my baking tray. I'm now going to flatten each ball with a fork. I have preheated my fan oven to 180 degrees. I'm now going to bake them for 12 to 15 minutes or until they appear dry on top. In my bowl I'm going to cream together butter and icing sugar until it becomes a creamy icing. I'm now going to take a bit of buttercream and spread it onto one side of the biscuit. Then take the other biscuit and sandwich it on top. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.